everyone, happy December. I have Mr. and Mrs. Claus, my helpers today. As you guys can see, we are working on the Quilted Junk Journal kits. I love doing the vintage quilt journal kits because it reminds me of memories growing up and family and, just quilted. It's just something about quilts, guys. Obviously, that's what I specialize in, right? When it comes to fabrics and quilts in the shop. So this is what I'm working on today. I'll have Cindy coming over today. We're going through all these vintage books. I've collected books over time. So I probably have hundreds and hundreds of quilted books. I'm sure I could probably sell the books whole and make more, but that's okay. What I love about this collection is, which I've a rack over there full of them, is that it's going to provide you guys a bunch of variety quilted page covers. So most of the kit pages will be actual quilt pages. We will add in some different types of other papers in it too, but mostly quilted. We'll have the, obviously, pinwheel quilt and then stamps around the world, or some people call it patchwork quilt. You'll get between 2 or 3 junk journal covers. And of course, embellishments, guys. I'm sure I'll have buttons and all this other stuff to go with it. So we're working on it today. These will be ready next week, ready to ship out as soon as possible, which is perfect for not only Christmas, but if you don't make the Christmas deadline to create something with this kit, at least it's something for the spring, summer. You guys know quilted kits are like for any time kind of thing. So I'm cutting up one of my favorite pinwheel quilts. What I love about this pinwheel quilt is each person, sorry, Miss Claus, just ripped it right out of her hands, is that this junk journal cover that I'll have, whoever created this quilt hand stitched it, you guys will get a piece just like this. So when you make, it'll be like a square type journal cover. Well, the spine, if you make it like a 2-inch spine, it will shorten this up. And so your book will be actually that size. I can measure it later. But the cool thing about this cover, which is going to be random in the packs, is no matter which cover you get choices. Which side you want it to be, what color you want it to be. And it's stitched on the edges. So there's no stitch work needing to be done. So this junk journal cover is actually going to be complete in your kit, which is one of I'm excited about. The patchwork one, or some people call it stamps around the world, will be raw cut. So you would have to finish the binding and the edging of it. But this, which Miss Claus was holding, I'm sorry, Miss Claus, don't get too mad. I'm not naughty. Be nice, be nice. Okay, this is what happens when you're home all the time. Anyways, so that's what Cindy and I are working on today. We're going to put these together. I got to look at my stash, I think, which will come with these kits to give you guys a sneak peek, will also be embroidery scissors, which you get to choose your scissors, which will be either like the swan or whatever you guys choose in the kit. So, all right, guys, that's pretty much it. My little workers here, including Cindy, who's coming in today, we're going to work on these orders for you guys. So this kit will be ready to ship out as soon as possible. All right, guys, you guys have a beautiful day. Back to work for me. Bye, guys.